Where are we going?
Welcome to my mess.
I want to come see your mess. Wow, it's wonderful. What a great mess you're making. How do you do it?
Look at it.
Okay.
Look at this.
Look at that mess.
Already?
I love it.
Okay. This couple is going this mess and the boys ones are going this mess.
Oh yeah?
Yeah.
Looks like you got all the paintbrushes in all the right colors. Huh.
Yeah.
What were you painting? Oh, your leg. That's very nice, sweetheart. I like it. What about your tummy? Oh, you're going to paint your diaper? Does that feel funny?
Mm-hmm.
What are you doing? This is some kind of, you're a nice canvas, aren't you? Got everything? Got everything painted? Looks very good. You're very thorough. Are you going to put any other colors on?
Look.
Yeah, I see that.
Kind
You going to put some other colors on? What about green? You don't have any green on there.
Oh, sorry.
Oh, that is great, Joshua. Is that fun? Is this a good mess?
Yeah.
Yeah? Is it a mess that you have fun making?
Yeah.
Yeah, can you smile for my camera?
It's from this.
Yeah. Uh-oh, you dropped the blue paintbrush. Oh, you need a small paintbrush in there?
This was stuck.
It was.
And then tried to get it out.
Yeah. Gonna move on to paper.
The other paintbrush first. The other paintbrushes.
You're doing two paintbrushes at once?
Yeah.
I see. Does that help?
Yeah.
What does that help do?
Pink.
Oh. You're gonna paint with your mouth?
I tried.
Thanks.